Hey, what's up DIYers? Mike Bors with the Mike Bors channel. Thank you for watching. We are working on a Toyota Camry today. We're going to replace the headlight bulb. Let's get started. All right, DIYers, outside at the Camry now, and as you can see, our driver's side headlight or lamp is working. Unfortunately, our passenger side headlight or lamp is burnt out. And in our case, we have one bulb, and that is for both the low beam and high beam. It is a cold day, as you can see, with the ice on the ground. We're going to turn off the lights, open up the hood, and continue the project. With the hood open, we're going to reposition ourselves. And right here you can see a rubber boot. It says top pull. You've got an electrical connection point here. And in our case, it is dirty. And as we disconnect this, you will hear some unique sounds. Just like that. And before moving forward, just take note of the orientation of the connection points. You got two side leads, one on the right, one on the left, and then you've got a top lead and nothing on the bottom. From here, carefully pull the rubber boot by lifting up and simultaneously pulling it back. There we go. We'll set that in a safe location, and I will also carefully push that electrical connection point back. And there is the securing clip right here. We are going to push in and simultaneously pull up. As you can see, that little rod right there, or pin, tucks behind that little part there and secures itself. We'll carefully shift this to the left, and we will pull out the old and burnt out bulb. There it is. Let's go get the new bulb. Here's the new bulb, in our case, the 9003H4. Let's go and open it. And DIYers, I'm trying to give you a good view of this as I do it. I had to reposition the camera because this little clip right here doesn't stay out. So I'm going to use my left hand to hold it out and my right hand to shift the bulb in place. Do your best not to touch the actual glass portion. And again, orient it correctly. And from here, simultaneously push in and down and secure that clip in place to secure that light bulb. From here, we'll grab that rubber boot and we will position that back on. This creates basically a watertight seal for the bulb itself. And just push that all the way on, all the way around until it is properly secured. As shown here. Next, grab the electrical connection point. We still have some dielectric grease, which is good. We'll go ahead and secure the electrical connection. Next, double check everything. From here, we'll go turn on the lights and see how it works. I close the hood, turn the lights on, and as you can see, DIYers, our passenger light or lamp is back up and running. Hopefully this helps. Do us a favor, below the video, you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We'd really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching.